Okay, I got a new project on the bench, the 1964 Plymouth Belvedere by AMT. Gonna get some sub-assembly done and some parts sealed up, and we'll be back. Okay, we're back. Got the interior painted up, got some clears on it, a satin and a matte. Got the engine done, got the body sealed up, and I'm just gonna clear coat that. So going to do some more work, and we'll be back in a bit. Okay, we're back. We're done. We got it clear coated with paint shop by Duplicolor. Did 3 coats. It's ready to spray, but on the last coat, I always kind of mix it a little 30% lacquer thinner just to have it flow a little better. Used some mags from another kit that I had. And I put in some side glass just because I like that. Nothing really special under the hood, just a standard motor. Same with the underneath, just kind of plain Jane. But other than that, not a bad kit. And guess that's it for now. And we'll see you on the next kit.